يلا سالم سالم يلا.
There's something wrong with the gun.
يلا طلع. Oh my God! Are you serious? Are you?
Doesn't matter, I'm here.
Think you know Al Ain? Think again. This living oasis continues to weave adventure, nature, history, and culture into one incredible destination. Once again, my best friend Salem joins me as we uncover more hidden gems. So join us, Obaid al-Badour and Salem al-Abbas, as we reveal how Al Ain creates unforgettable moments for families and friends.
Oh my God!
We start the day at the Ain Equestrian and Golf Club for our first ever golf lesson.
Have you guys got any golf experience or?
No, but I feel like I'm good.
We get by. We'll get by. We'll get by.
I want you to hold the club in your right hand and now point the club out in front of you. Interlocks with the index finger of your left hand. Next thing.
He didn't mean it when he said it to you.
He did.
Okay, this doesn't look so hard. Hold with both hands, bend your knees, and swing. Got it.
Right, do we want to try hit a golf ball?
Yes! For the last 6 months, I've been diligently watching every single golf video I could find. They're not ready for me.
Oh!
Okay, so maybe we could use a little more instruction.
How do I hit down on something if I'm coming from a shallow angle? Me stood behind you should be able to see the sole of your right foot. All the eyes watching me.
Ooh. Let's go! Hey!
Nice, nice.
Everybody else seemed to be getting the hang of it,
Oh!
except me.
Oh man, keep it.
Golf is significantly harder than I thought.
Who had the best shot of the day?
Would have been yourself, actually, I think.
Why would you ask that? That's a very specific question, Salem. You
Hey.
knew the answer. It's all because of the glove, guys. It's the glove that did the heavy work.
If you don't come prepared, لا تزعل مني أنا جيت جاهز.
شوف
زين؟
شوف.
5 times. 5 times.
Ever tried trap shooting? It's immensely fun. You get a rifle, someone yells pull, and you have just seconds to track and hit a clay target.
Can you guys see those number 3, 4?
Yeah.
This is your target you need to follow and shoot it. On the shoulder, hold it strong. Keep your cheekbone on the stalk. Follow the target. Shoot it.
Okay.
Inside my eyes there are bullets. Okay? There is no bullet in the gun.
Hold on. Say that again.
Poetry.
Say that again. Say that again.
Let's say the target is going up.
Yeah.
Should I shoot a bit higher than it so I can cut?
No.
قلت نفس الشيء في الجولف. قلت نفس الشيء في الجولف. شو صار؟
أنا أسكر ملفات.
So Saadi and I team up, while Salem chose his younger brother to lead him to victory.
خلينا نشوف. يلا سالم يلا. If he misses this,
There's something wrong with the gun.
يلا طلع. الموضوع عندنا ها.
Boo! Better luck next time, Ali. Let's go!
1-0.
The game was heating up. We were one each.
Are you serious? Are you? Doesn't matter, I'm here.
Finally, redemption after the humiliation at the golf course.
0-0.
Trap shooting turned out to be the perfect blend of challenge and laughter. An activity where families can bond while learning something completely new together.
Nice سعدي والله صراحة was fun.
After an exhilarating morning of sport, we slowed our pace and stepped back in time at Jahili Fort. Here, the remarkable photographs of Wilfred Thesiger, affectionately known to the Bedouins as Mubarak bin London, offer a window into our region's not-so-distant past.
هذه صورة شهيرة لويلفريد ثيسجر اللي كانوا يسمونه البدو مبارك بن لندن. هو مستكشف أصلاً ورحالة، فما في مكان في الدنيا يسمع عنه مش مستكشف إلا يستكشفه.
In today's fast-paced world, exhibitions like this become even more valuable, offering families and children a chance to connect with our rich heritage and understand the remarkable stories that shaped our land.
تعرف هذول منو؟ تعال خلينا نشوف. هذول الناس اللي كانوا معاه في الرحلة اللي ودوه الربع الخالي على رحلتين، قوم بن رشيد. هذا منهم قوم بن غبيشة وبن كبينة.
Throughout the exhibition, you'll find rare images of Sheikh Zayed, showing both Thesiger's friendship and admiration for the father of our country.
الإمارات وإن هويتنا نحن عيال زايد، بس حلو إن نشوف إنه واحد جاي من برا كان عنده هالانطباع عن الشيخ زايد الله يرحمه.
We end the day by kayaking on the beautiful lake right under Jebel Hafit.
شكراً. Safety first يا جماعة, safety.
If you've ever kayaked on a lake, you know it's a pretty soothing experience. You're out by yourself, hearing the gentle sounds of the oar hitting the water. You row a bit, you relax a bit, you get to unplug from everything.
يعني شوف المنظر، عندك جبال، عندك بر آرك الصوب على غروب الشمس، منظر كان رائع جميل. يعني أنا ما أعرف طريقة أحسن واحد يقضي نهاية يومه هني في العين.
Best of all, kayaking is easy. Anyone can do it. Well, almost anyone.
Rock the boat! Do not do that.
While Salem wrestled with his kayak at the beginning, he soon got the hang of it and joined us as we relaxed on the lake, ending our day on the perfect note. From learning to perfect our golf swings and tracking clay targets across the sky, to discovering Thesiger's remarkable photography and kayaking under the mountain, our day in Ain captured its perfect blend of sport, heritage, and natural beauty, all made better when shared with friends.